This year at OFC, we are making some very exciting announcements. Of course, maybe the industry knows that we've recently closed a merger with Finisar, and so we have really now a full suite of products for optical communications and data communications. We're number one really in the optical communications space, and we announced some pretty interesting products for coherent applications. So for example, we announced our ICT ROSA, which will be a great enabler for 400G ZR. And we also announced our 400G CFP2, and which is going to be quite an interesting product for us. We have some other interesting products for 5G front haul that we're showcasing here, including one that is a tunable transceiver and an SFP form factor that's fully tunable over the C-band, and of course industrial, it works over the industrial temperatures for front haul. So yeah, we're right in the middle of those trends and are quite excited about them. II-VI is a leader in optical communications, so it's quite important for us to come to OFC. OFC is probably the biggest optical show for communications in the world, and therefore, you know, we have to be present. It's quite important for us. It's quite a efficient way for us to meet with all our customers. We can, you know, meet perhaps with most of our customers in just a few days. And, but it's also very important for many other constituents in our company. If you're just getting started, you know, at II-VI, well, maybe go take a course, a short course. If you're interested in what's happening now, well, perhaps go to a workshop. If you're interested in what products are being released, well, maybe go to the Expo theater. If you're interested in what's going to happen in the next 5 years, well, go to a technical session. If you are on the commercial side, well, of course you're going to meet with all our customers. If you are an investor, well, maybe take a break from your financial modeling and just come and check out our products.